Wow, the cheese so nice. Can I have it?
Yeah. Yeah. Look at the cheese.
Mm.
Oh.
Oh, so yummy. Yeah, sarap. Eat it, anak. Taste it. Anong lasa? Good?
Want to see?
Cheese. A cheesy.
Wow, what the?
Okay na.
Hi guys, I'm making cheese rolls.
My breakfast today.
My breakfast today.
Show them. Show your breakfast.
Look,
This one. I have egg.
and then powder.
Powder. It's not powder.
Me.
Close it.
I want to ganito. I want the egg.
Dali, roll mo dyan.
Me.
Remove that. Sige. When it's ready, you put this here first and then in the fire, okay?
Ay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Why? It's your breakfast. Slowly lang. Slowly naman. Slowly, put it there. Leave it. It's so big. Wait lang. Don't move it, okay?
Ay, ganito.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Roll it with the ano. This one. Okay, make it. Roll it na. Or use the fork if you don't want to touch it. Like this one.
Ganito mo.
Sige, up to you. What you want to do.
Baktak.
Slowly. Another one. Slowly.